Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix a stuck or failing system update on DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. First of all, let's make sure that our device has enough storage for an update. So open your device's settings, scroll down to storage, and make sure that you have enough storage for your update. If you don't, then delete some unused applications or backup some of your media files to an SD card. Then also let's wipe the cache of this tablet. To do so, we're gonna need to enter recovery mode on it. So press power button and volume up key at the same time, select power off, then confirm, and then give your device some time to power off entirely. After you do that, you're gonna have to press and hold volume up and down keys together and short press the power button to launch it. Once the DOOGEE logo appears on your screen, you have to release the power button and keep holding down these two keys. This will get you directly to the recovery mode, where we're gonna be able to use volume keys to navigate and power button to select. So navigate down to wipe cache partition and press power button to select this option, and then select yes, and then select reboot system now, and then wait until your tablet is restarted. Okay, now let's unlock the tablet and let's make sure that we are connected to the stable Wi-Fi network. Okay, let's give the device some time to connect. Now let's check the connection. Okay, everything seems fine. Now let's open settings, and now your update should go smoothly. So let's go to About Tablet, System Update, check for updates, and now you should have no issue with your update. Well, my device is updated to the latest version, therefore I do not have to update it, but basically from now, just wait until the update is downloaded, installed, and then make sure to restart your tablet to apply changes properly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.